Hey, queens and kings, welcome back, and thank you guys so much for watching as well as returning. So as you all can tell from the title, we are doing a patio front porch makeover, and to make this happen, we are collaborating with. Now, before I get into telling you details about this company, first thing first, I had to go about cleaning the front porch off. As you all see, everything was on there, and I had to remove old furniture and things that we had on there, just collecting stuff. But I also went ahead and bought other things to bring this porch makeover together. As you all can see here, I am taking out some greenery. Now, as you all see, our porch also have this discoloration because for whatever reason the project ended up painting the porch, and okay, obviously it's chipped off from numerous of times of stepping on it. So, but it's cold, it's concrete, so I wanted to soften it up a little bit. So I actually went and ordered some greenery. And as you all see here where I'm laying out, it ain't that big, it ain't that wide, it ain't that long or whatever. It actually shorter than I thought it was going to be, but that's okay. That's okay. We're just going to work with what we actually have to pretty much pull this look all together. But I just know this was something that I wanted to do for my parents. So when actually did reach out to me, I was like, boom, this company is right on time, because it's something that I want to do for a while now. Because as you all seen, that we had stands on the porch, we had little chairs on the porch, we had old dead flowers and everything on the porch that didn't make sense to want you to actually be out there. But anyway, so like I said, reached out to me, it was right on time. So let me tell you all a little bit about this company now that I have learned by actually collaborating with them. Now, this company is actually a American and European choice of furniture, which they have appliances, they have kitchen, they have sports, and they have everything outdoors, which that's what field that we fell into, outdoors. So I will have their website, the links and everything down in the description box, so you guys can check them out too as well. So therefore you can actually see anything on there that you want that will fit your needs, as in, like I said, kitchen, sports, appliances, all types of choice of furniture and everything outdoors. Okay, now they have a 24 hours online service. They have fast delivery, which is within 3 to 5 business days, and they have great quality furniture. I have to say that because when I was taking these pieces out the box, I was like, these are pretty heavy, very sturdy, and the pieces I have are metal iron. But now, one thing I didn't like about when the box came, I opened it up, I seen that it was all in pieces. Because I was like, oh my God, this is going to be longer than I thought it was going to be, honestly. Because this day here, I have to be to work at 4 o'clock, and I think I started this around by 11 o'clock or something like that. And I was like, oh, this is going to be a little tedious for me, or whatever the case may be. But we made it through it. And I'm happy that we did. But I'll explain more of that to you guys in the video. Now, like I said before, they have a website. I would like for you all to check it out, so therefore you can see what type of furniture that fits your needs, your style, because they have all types of style of furniture on their website. Now, when I did actually picked out the furniture, my furniture arrived within, I think, 4 days after we agreed on everything, and boom, my dad or my daughter, someone called me and said, Val, you have something at the door. So as you all see, we done took everything out, and inside the box, it came with instructions too as well. It's showing you how it all to put it together with screws and wrench and things that you will need. Pretty much the usual what's come in a box of anything. Okay. But like I said, it was tedious for me because of the pieces, and I was on time crunch. So here now, I'm actually just laying it out as I seen it inside the menu, the instruction book, and everything, to getting all the pieces together, A and A, B and B, C and C, D and D. So they do have them labeled like that, which was a plus, because sometimes some things don't come labeled, and you just got to figure it out and just go from there. Now, once I got it all laid out how they had it in the book, once again, that was pretty much easy. But the hard part was basically the screwing part. And I say that because some of them did not line up, which I will explain that more into the video. So here I'm using this Allen key, which is a part of the tools that they give you to actually screw everything together, as you all can see here. That pretty much all was the tedious part. I have to say that was in the video. I mean, that was for the moment of me recording the video. It's because, honey, it was hot outside. It was really hot outside, and I'm like, oh my God, I'm crunching for time. You know, I want this to be done and over with. You see, I'm starting to get agitated here because, you know, it's taking forever to screw things in. Sometimes the Allen key just slip off, so you see me use my finger. Then I'm struggling here to get the holes and everything lined up, which was the biggest problem for putting this furniture together. And that's all because some of it didn't line up. But other than that, honey, it was easy to do. It really was easy to do, but it was just frustrating because I'm outside and, like I said, it wasn't lining up. Now, I do apologize because my camera overheated or ran out of space or whatever, so I lost the part of putting the back and everything together. But like I said, it's very easy to do if you follow the instructions. Sometimes you may not have to follow the instruction, but follow the instruction if you want to make sure you put the correct screws where they need to go for the correct hole. Okay? All right, queens and kings, so at this point here I have finished the chairs. I don't know what happened to the auto of this part of the video. Basically, I'm here explaining to you guys the pro and con of the chair and so like that, but I don't know what happened, so I just do this voiceover. Like I said, I'm explaining the pros and cons. So here I'm basically showing you all where the chair is supposed to connect here. This is the part where I couldn't get the screws in, where it didn't line up. Now, does that prevent you from sitting in the chair, actually keeping the chairs or sending them back or anything? No, not in my book. It did not make a difference. It just was a little extra support. That's about it. But other than that, the chairs are fine. They very sturdy. They very well made. They put together real good if you line them up and put the correct screws together. Now, under the bottom of it, which prevent the chairs from scraping on the ground or something, you know, like they put the little cushions or little feet or whatever little screws you could put up under the bottom to prevent that from happening. Now, that part there where I did had a problem because the screw wouldn't go all the way in, so I had to readjust it so therefore it can line up even. Other than that, that was it. Those are the only two issues that I had about with this patio furniture. Now, the name of the patio furniture, I have a 3-piece patio Rattan Briscoe cushion furniture set. My furniture piece was $199 on sale. That was a clearance, but they have lowest prices all year round, so you can't beat that. So that means anytime you go on their website, you're gonna find something on sale, or they're gonna be at a lower price than what it usually are. Now at this moment here, I'm actually putting the table together. The table was very easy to put together. It's just all about lining everything up, and that was that. All right, y'all. So we got the patio all together, as in the pieces. This is very sturdy. The chairs are very sturdy. So let's go ahead and put the cushions together. Now for the fun part, the decorating. So putting the cushions on the chair, everything's finally starting to come together. The colors and everything, all that is just making the porch look alive now. Baby, I have to say, shout out to once again for actually collaborating with me on this porch makeover. Because honey, I love it. I love it. I love it. Like I said, everything is sturdy, is well made. I just want to give you guys close up all the furniture pieces and all. So I recommend this company. So check out the links. Their website and everything will be linked down below. So we put our little more extra greenery on the porch. Y'all know how we do. So now, remember I told you guys I picked out some more stuff just to bring the porch a little alive. So I'm putting these little pots and things that I did purchase and some ferns in here too, also to bring the porch to life. You know, I like it. I really do like it. I really do love the way that everything turned out and how it all came together. Y'all remember these ferns that my mom and them have in their house, so you guys know I'm using a lot of things that I already have as well to pretty much bring this patio makeover together. So with that being said, here is our beautiful front porch patio makeover.
Dream with me, let your mind explore all the things we were created for. Possibilities, an open door.
COSTWAY, you did your big one. I appreciate you all. Appreciate you all. Queens and Kings, so what do you guys think of the patio makeover? Did it bring the porch to life? And then the little green that I have in the back from the curtains, child, it's just all pulled together. Like, I love it. Everyone in the house love it. They have somewhere to sit. As you all see, I am actually testing the furniture out, and like I said, it did not make a difference with that one or two screws that I couldn't connect in there. It didn't change. Y'all know I weigh 230 pounds and it hold me up just fine, honey. Take a little sip of some water and everything. Now I got somewhere I can chill at, as well as the family. We all have somewhere to chill, and shout out just because COSTWAY came through with the furniture. Now y'all don't forget to check out their website and everything. The links and all will be down in the description box. Tell them Valerie sent you. So yeah, check them out. Check them out. Yeah, I'm still testing this furniture. I'm on the phone too at the same time though, but I love it. I love how everything turned out, how it all came together, and now it just gives us somewhere as a family to interact and just have our little moments sitting out on our front porch. Now the cushion is very soft. It actually supports your back, so therefore you don't feel discomforts or anything like that. So I had to go test out the other one too, so to make sure that I'm not tripping. But like I said, it's very comfortable. The cushion up on your behind, that is comfortable too. You don't feel the rail or the iron of the furniture or anything like that. Everything is comfortable. So check them out. And Queens and Kings, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you all did, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And remember, your crown may tilt, but a damn sure won't fall. Bye-bye.